Today we're diving into a crucial aspect of your finances, your credit score. Whether you're dreaming of buying a house, a car, or simply wanting to improve your financial health, your credit score is an essential component of your financial journey. Welcome back everyone to the channel. I'm your host Justine. I'm a personal finance educator and enthusiast, and today we're talking about how to access and view your credit score. But before you can access it, we need to demystify exactly what is a credit score. A credit score is a measurement of how you interact with debt. It tells lenders how much of a responsible spender you are and the likelihood that you'll pay your debts back on time. Those who pay their bills, such as credit cards or even an electricity bill, on time and have a long payment history of doing so can achieve a good credit score. A good credit score can help you apply for loans or other financial benefits. It can even help you with car insurance or renting an apartment. Credit scores can range from 300 to 850, and it's calculated based on several factors, including your payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, new credit accounts, and types of credit in use. So the higher your credit score is, the more financial benefits you can access. A low credit score would hurt your chances of purchasing a home and applying for any other financial benefits you wish to access. Checking your credit score is easier than you think, and it just takes 4 easy steps. Step 1, register with a credit reporting agency. Now, there are several credit reporting agencies out there, and the 3 major credit bureaus include Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, and you can typically sign up for a free account online. Step 2, verify your identity. We want to make sure that you are the rightful owner of the credit information you're about to access, so this is an essential security measure you're going to take. Step 3, access your credit report. Once your identity has been verified, you'll be able to access your credit report. A credit report is a comprehensive document that details your credit history, including payment history, the types of accounts that are opened or closed, or any negative marks associated with your credit. And step 4, view your credit score. This 3-digit number gives you an overall financial picture of your credit worthiness. Remember, the higher the score, the better. Now, if you're using Quicken Simplifi, good news, you can actually check your credit score directly in the app, and it'll also include financial tips to help you improve it if necessary. So let me show you how inside of the app. When you're logged in, you're going to hover over the left-hand menu, and then you're going to click on Reports, and then you're going to click on the upper top menu under Credit Score, and then click Started. What you're going to do is fill out all of your detailed personal information here so that you can access your credit score and monitoring. Once you've filled out your information and agree to the terms, click to continue, and then they're going to send you a link to your phone to verify your information. Once you've been verified, you'll be able to access your credit score directly within the app. Remember, it's not just knowing your credit score, it's taking action steps to improve it if necessary. I'd love to know, how are you tracking your credit score? Let us know in the comments. And if you are on track to continue to improve that credit score, it starts with responsible spending. Quicken Simplifi is the budgeting app that can help you do that so that you can improve your credit score to hit your financial goals. The app is linked below if you want to check it out in the description box. Give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one.